Today, agricultural producers are interested in more than just new chemistry to control weeds and other pests. They're interested in products that will help them have sustainable farming futures. DuPont researchers have been using this proprietary technology as well as our new philosophy for research to identify compounds that not only work, but are extremely safe to humans and the environment.
When we're doing research for a new compound, we're looking really for three things. We're looking for high biological activity. Of course, it needs to be aligned with our business objectives. We're also looking for high safety to people, to the environment. And the third thing we're looking for is a new mode of action. This is extremely critical for the farmer. As you know, insects are very adept at development of resistance. Compounds with new modes of action are the single best tool that the farmer has in combating the development of resistance.
The way we discovered Rynaxypyr represents many changes that we have introduced in our R&D processes. First, we were looking to reduce the cycle time, the time that it took to identify the molecule that had the right biological attributes as well as the safety profile.
We streamlined the process and we assembled a team of very talented scientists very early on in the program to address virtually every aspect of the discovery process. With this team in hand, we were able to move the discovery of Rynaxypyr from initial hit and lead identification to development in a period of about 20 months. And this contrasts with indoxacarb, which took us about 4 years.
I am very excited about Rynaxypyr for a number of reasons. This is the first molecule that has emerged from our new R&D processes. And not only does it represent excellent control of a number of very key insect species on a lot of different crops that farmers are interested in, but it really sets a new standard for environmental and human safety.
Regulatory authorities throughout Europe and the rest of the world have been looking for ways to enhance and accelerate regulatory reviews. Under the auspices of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, they've been looking at piloting a work-share program.
They are cooperating to review the regulatory package and get it quickly through the registration approval process so we can get out onto the market almost a year earlier than it would have normally.
Rynaxypyr has a very favorable mammalian tox profile. This goes a long way to addressing regulatory concerns around worker and grower safety. While Rynaxypyr is a very potent insecticide with regards to the target insect species, it has minimal impact on non-target insects, beneficial arthropods. As a result of that, it's a very valuable tool to be used in integrated test management programs.
I've been very, very impressed with Rynaxypyr to this point. I mean, it's a highly efficacious compound.
But right now there is no product on the market that has a spectrum of activity similar to Rynaxypyr. And if a scout finds that in surveying a field that a grower has multiple pests present, Rynaxypyr will give them an option of making an application of a single product rather than an application of a tank mix of several products.
I think the thing that excites me the most is that first, it is a new active ingredient, a new chemistry, and that's always exciting when you look at the availability of something like Rynaxypyr that has a completely different mode of action.
One of the high values of Rynaxypyr is its low toxicity to mammals and its safety in the environment.
When Rynaxypyr gets approved for use by growers, we'll be able to recommend this compound to growers with a great deal of confidence that it will not harm our integrated pest management program that we have going on in orchards.
What I've seen with Altacor and Coragen, which are unique, is the combination of a high level of efficacy, residual, and the characteristics of safety and environmental that are unsurpassed in the market.
And we had a field day during that first trial, and I was under a secrecy agreement and could not identify the compound. And the growers could visually see that not only was there good armyworm control, but there was also very excellent leaf miner control, and they were asking me, what is that? And I said, well, I can't tell you right now, but hopefully in the future we will be able to.
I tell you, I was very excited. We have a new product, one that can apply through drip irrigation, which will be a big benefit to my customers. Application flexibility in the product, different mode of action, and a product that my customers certainly would look forward to using.
Alticor and Coragen are going to have a great fit with the insecticides that we already have in our portfolio. We're going to have excellent rotational chemistry for insect resistance.
The peach growers especially will be, I think, very excited with a product like Rynoxaper coming forward, because they just don't have much in their arsenal anymore, and they're losing products that they have today.
I think the uniqueness of the product is going to put us in a whole different arena for insecticide applications.
I'm really excited. I think this product's going to be a sales rep's dream.